Hello, second year students. Welcome to my channel Raut Rai classes. Today we will start again your capacitance chapter. Now, in this class, we find what is potential energy. Potential energy of a capacitor. You know what is capacitor? Capacitor alternate your stator. Stator रो काम कौन ना कैपेसिटेंस प्रॉपर्टी मेंटेन होची. कैपेसिटेंस कौन चार्ज स्टोर करूची. जो स्टोर करिवो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इक्वल टू योर स्टोर एट द रेस्ट. एनर्जी स्टोर्ड एट द रेस्ट. So what is potential energy of a capacitor? It is defined as the amount of a charge stored. First, charge stored. It is defined as the amount of a charge stored. Amount of a charge store करने को हेले तब कौन करियो पड़िबो some work is done. It is defined as the amount of a charge stored to do some work. Or अन्य definition आमी नहीं परिबा. It is defined as the amount of work done, work किछि करिया को पड़िबो ताको एनर्जी स्टोर पाई. It is defined as the amount of work done to charge the capacitor. कैपेसिटर को चार्ज करबा को हेले ताको जेतिक अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी दरकार, द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क डन, केते वर्क कले से टोटल चार्ज ही परिबो. दैट इज कॉल्ड योर पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. इट इज डिफाइंड एज द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क डन टू चार्ज द कैपेसिटर. गोटे कैपेसिटर को तमे चार्ज करबा को हेले ताको किछु वर्क डन करबा को पड़िबो. सेही वर्क डन इज कॉल्ड योर स्टोर्ड इन द कैपेसिटर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. एटी कौन देछि. इट इज डिफाइंड एज द अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज स्टोर्ड टू डू सम वर्क. एठी सम वर्क इज द योर पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. कौन करिया को ना चार्ज स्टोर करिया को. तेणु चार्ज स्टोर करिया हेले ताको किछि वर्क डन करिया को पड़िबो. वर्तमान एटा जो वर्क डन से करिवो दैट इज कॉल्ड योर पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. से पोटेंशियल एनर्जी रो मोटे एक्सप्रेशन पड़िबो तम परीक्षा रे से विषय आलोचना करबा. ओके, लेट कौन लेट करबा स्मॉल वैल्यू लेट करिकरी तार को इंटीग्रेशन करिकरी टोटल वैल्यू आ करबा. लेट v is equal to your instantaneous माने very small potential. जदि स्मॉल पोटेंशियल तुम यूज कर लेबो ताहले तुमको कौन करिया पड़िबो. फॉर Q is your instantaneous charge. You see instantaneous charge, very small charge तुम स्टोर करिया को चाहछो ताले स्मॉल पोटेंशियल तुमको बा V is equal to instantaneous potential मेंटेन करिया को पड़िबो. ओके, C is equal to your capacity or capacitance. Okay, we know what we know. We know C is equal to small charge by instantaneous charge per unit PD, that is instantaneous potential, or potential is equal to Q by C. This is equal to small charge, this is equal to your small potential. Okay, dW is equal to the small charge hela, small potential use hela, tal small work done hobo is equal to small work done. Small work done due to dq, your small charge stored. Small charge store. ताल तुम स्मॉल चार्ज स्टोर करबा कहले स्मॉल वर्क डन दरकार. टोटल चार्ज जब तुम स्टोर करिवो ताते टोटल वर्क डन आसीबो, तार तो w आसीबो, एठी q हे जिवो. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड स्मॉल चार्ज स्टोर करिवो ताल स्मॉल वर्क डन देला. ओके, we know potential and work done. What you know? Instantaneous potential. This is called to your work done means small work done for small unit charge. This is called to your in potential V is equal to W by Q. So here instantaneous potential, this is called to small work done, this is called to small charge. Okay, you have to find work done, that is called to cross multiply V dq. ठीक है जी, बुझ पाइल. So V is equal to, you know, V is equal to your Q by C into dq. This is equal to dw. This small work done, small charge. This is called instantaneous charge. To get a total work done, that is to full charge the capacitor. To get a total work done, integrate both sides. Integrate both sides. Both sides integration, that is taking limit. Limit use करिया को पड़िबो. Integration तमे पढ़िबनी. Definite integration. That is called to 0 to w dw. This is called to small work done, माने 0, no work. This is called to whole work. That is called to total charge by total full charge of the capacitor. That is called to your 0 to q. This is called to small instantaneous charge. This is called to your small charge. This is called to total charge. Q by C dq. Okay. This 0 to w dw, you know this is equal to your w is equal to, you see 1 by C is constant, capacitance is constant, so 1 by C you take, this is equal to 0 to q, q dq. Okay, clear? Now integrate. This is equal to w is equal to 1 by C, q dq. You know integration x dx. This is equal to x square by 2. So this is equal to q square by 2. This is equal to 1 by 2c. This is equal to limit value 0 to q. Upper limit q square by 2 minus lower limit 0 square by 2. Okay. So this is equal to 1 by 2c into, this is equal to 0 square by 2, 0 by 2, that is 0. So only q square by 2. Q square by 2. By 2 means this is equal to. So this is equal to half Q square by C. This is equal to your work done. If you transfer this amount, you got this work done is equal to your potential energy or energy stored. You can write E or Q. U is equal to potential energy capacitor. This is equal to 1 by 2C Q square. Okay. If you convert, this is called to energy in terms of a charge and a capacity. If you convert, you know, see, case 1, you take for problem, C is equal to Q by V. You see Q. So find Q, see V. If you want to convert potential energy in terms of a capacitance and a potential, not charge. You see C is equal to Q by V, Q is equal to CV. You put Q here. What is CV? Okay. So potential energy is equal to 1 by 2C. Q. This is equal to Q square. Q square is equal to C square V square. C square V square. This 1C cancel. That is equal to 1 by 2 CV square. This is equal to your energy stored in a capacitor in terms of a capacity and potential. This is equal to in terms of a charge and a capacity. Okay. Similarly, if you want to convert in terms of a charge and a V, that is volt. Again case 2 you can use for short question. C is equal to Q by V. Okay, you find C, U is equal to 1 by 2C Q square. In place of C, use Q by V. This is equal to Q square divided by 2C. In place of C, this is equal to Q by V. Okay, this is equal to 1 by 2 Q square into V by Q. This Q cancel. That is equal to half QV. You see, same energy in terms of QV, same energy half CV square. Another one, U is equal to 1 by 2C Q square. In three forms, your problem may come in your council exam. Okay, so first you know this is equal to expression. General term half CV square, it is easy to remember. If it is not, you convert C is equal to Q by V, use the formula. Okay, this is equal to energy stored or potential energy of a capacitor. Next comes to elastance. Elastance, what is elastance in the capacitance chapter? Define elastance. What is elastance? Elastance, you take S, this is equal to 1 by C. That is equal to, it is defined as what? Reciprocal of capacity. Reciprocal of capacitance. Okay, if you to remember the definition, how to remember the definition? You remember the formula. S is equal to 1 by C. Then question is define elastance. So you have to write in word. That is called S is equal to 1 by C. In wording, it is defined as reciprocal of a capacitance. Okay. What is the elastance? Elastance is the property of a capacitor. Like your, if you compare about your spring, the use of a spring, sculpture to shock, जो हम्स रे तमेरो पडुची गाड़ी सकपचर जो स्प्रिंग रो काम होची कोन स्टिफनेस माने तमरो जो धक्काटा को से कंट्रोल करिवो इन कैपेसिटर इलास्टेंस इज द सेम फंक्शन ओके इन हायर क्लास यू विल read about elastance the stiffness in spring like here in capacitance elastance is used that is called reciprocal when capacitance increases elastance decreases okay similarly if you find unit SI unit of elastance SI unit what is SI unit of S is equal to 1 by C. If you remember this S is equal to 1 by C, then SI unit this is equal to your Faraday. So Faraday inverse. Okay. If you find a dimension formula, this is equal to your 1 by C. 1 by C, 1 by C is equal to Q by V. That is equal to V by Q. V is equal to W by Q divided by Q. Or this is equal to W by Q square. W is equal to mass into acceleration into displacement that is square divided by this is equal to A square T square. Okay. You simplify M1 you see L2 T to the power minus 4 okay A to the power minus 2. This is the dimension formula. If you know the formula and the process to find out, then you can accurately write the dimension formula for elastance. Otherwise, to remember it is difficult because a number of physical quantity in your second year courses. So, any one question will come find the dimension formula or write the dimension formula. Now, which is the physical quantity? Name the physical quantity whose dimension formula is this. So, you have to remember the formula and know how to find it. Clear? Then it will be easy and correct. Next, you see your नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को आम जा C is equal to epsilon 0 A by D minus T. This is the capacity of a parallel plate capacitor with dielectric of a thickness T. This is equal to, if D is equal to T, then C is equal to epsilon 0 A by D minus D. That is equal to epsilon 0 A by 0. That is equal to infinity. So if this is called your conducting substance in between the parallel plate capacitor, then capacity increases to infinity, which is impossible. Okay. Next, C is equal to, you know, epsilon 0 A by D minus T plus T by K. This is called your dielectric medium. This is called your conducting medium. This T thickness is equal to your conducting. If total conducting, एटा total यदि conducting कर दवा, total conducting, then D is equal to T. If total is equal to conducting, then capacity will be infinity, which is impossible to make a capacitor. Okay, to charge a capacitor. Next come to, this is equal to your dielectric. Dielectric T is equal to thickness. Thickness. This is K is equal to your dielectric constant. Dielectric constant, you know also. Dielectric constant. If thickness T is the dielectric, if totally field, whole field dielectric, whole field, total capacitor, parallel plate capacitor को हमें fill up कर दबा dielectric. Whole field dielectric. सब जाक डाइलेक्ट्रिक हो गला ताले D is equal to हो T. You put T, you put D in place of T. Okay. So C is equal to epsilon 0 A by D minus D plus D by K. This D cancel. This is called epsilon 0 A by D by K. You reverse it. Take this, simplify epsilon 0 A into K by D. You see, this is called to air field capacitor. Capacity of a capacitor with field with air. If you take this is called to air, C is 0, then this is equal to K. So C is equal to in medium. Medium means dielectric. So when the capacitor is in air condition or filled with air, this is also insulation. Filled with air, this is C0. If you take, this is called to whole medium, any medium other than air, then dielectric constant is equal to your K of the medium. A medium or dielectric constant K. Then capacity will be increased K times than the air field. One example. You see, if capacity of a capacitor is equal to 2 microfarad. If it is filled with, question will come, filled with dielectric means insulation of constant, say dielectric constant kete, constant 6. Constant no unit, this is equal to 6 only. So what will the capacity? New capacity in medium form is equal to your C0, generally 2 microfarad given in air field, and dielectric constant when you field, that dielectric constant is 6. This is equal to K is equal to 6 into 6. This is equal to 12 microfarad. You see, 6 times. The capacity will be increased 6 times. So when air is filled, the capacity is lower. When dielectric medium is filled, then capacity increases. Okay? Short question will come in this way. Then you see another short question. Two capacitors of capacities C1 and C2 are connected in series. Okay, what is net capacity or equivalent capacity? Net capacity or equivalent capacity. In case of series, you know C is equal to, but in series base 1 by C, you formula got the formula is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 in series. So this is equal to your C1, this is equal to C2. You take LCM C1 C2, then C2 plus C1. This is equal to 1 by C. You remember this is equal to 1 by C. This is not your answer, equivalent capacity. The capacity is C. So what is C? C is equal to, you reverse it, C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. You remember it. In series case, 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. So 1 by C is equal to this. You have to find C to get net capacity when two capacitors of capacities C1 and C2 are connected in series. So this is equal to your correct answer. This is not. Okay. So mind it and remember it. You have to alter C. 1 by C, you have to alter the form C2 C1 by C1 C2 up to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. Okay. Similar question will come. Two capacitors of capacities C1 and C2 are connected in parallel. Suppose in parallel. What is net capacity? In parallel formula you know. What is parallel formula? Net capacity is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 like this. So this is equal to, capacity is given C1 C2, then net capacity is equal to C. So C is equal to C1 plus 2. Okay, don't confuse. Next. So if multiple choice will come, you use the formula and find the correct and choose it. Next question is spherical capacitor. Spherical capacitor. Spherical capacitor, you know C is equal to 4 pi epsilon 0 r. This is equal to your radius of the sphere. If radius is not given, then capacity is given. So either capacity you found out or radius find out. Here one question is find radius of a spherical capacitor. Spherical capacitor whose capacity is 0.1 microfarad. So you see, spherical capacitor capacity is this. Capacity is given to find radius. Radius माने तमे अनुभव कर परिबो केते बड़ स्फीयर हेतिबो बा कैपेसिटर हेतिबो. Okay, so answer is given. What is? You see, find radius. You simple read half question and write the symbolic form. Find radius means here you write R is equal to this. Of a spherical capacitor, confirm spherical capacitor C is equal to 4 pi epsilon 0 r. Whose capacity? Whose capacity means C is equal to 0.1 microfarad. Okay, you convert to Faraday. This is equal to 0.1. Micro is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 Faraday. Okay, so C is given. Find R. What is the relation between C and R in spherical capacitor? You know this is C is equal to 4 pi epsilon 0 r. Okay, बुझिपाइल? So 4 pi epsilon 0 r is equal to C. R is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 C. You see, the question is find R. So you find R and rest to right side. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 C. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is, you know, is equal to 9 into 10 to the 9. This is a constant in electrostatic. Into C is equal to 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 6. You see, 10 to the power 9, 10 to the power minus 6. That is equal to 10 to the power 3. Okay. This is equal to 0.1 into 9. 0.1 is equal to 1 by 10 into 10 to the power 3. This is equal to your 2. So this is equal to 100 into 9. 900 what? Meter. SI unit. So 100 meter, this is equal to your radius. Okay. This is equal to your radius of this spherical capacitor. In this way, you have to find. So when it is given in microfarad, you write in, you convert it to Faraday taking 10 to the power minus 6. If it is microfarad or picofarad, you convert it to Faraday using multiple of 10 to the power minus 12. If it is millifarad, you see picofarad, microfarad, that is 10 to the power minus 6 farad. This is equal to Faraday. If it is 1 millifarad, this is equal to use 10 to the power minus 3 Faraday. You, in this way, the question will come, not in Faraday form. So remember, if it is micro, pico or milli, you convert to Faraday form. You remember this, 10 to the power minus 3 milli, 10 to the power minus 6 micro, 10 to the power minus 12 euro picofarad by micro. Otherwise question will be wrong. Okay. Next, another question. N capacitors of equal capacities are connected in series and parallel separately. Find their ratio. You see, n capacitors of equal capacity माने समस्तिंकर आमे C नै जिबा RC तारसी हम जाननो केतरा लेखा 2 माइक्रोफैराड हे पारे 3 माइक्रोफैराड हे पारे तेनु सब गुडा को इक्वल नै जिबा ताले C is equal to your capacity ओके समस्तिंकर कैपेसिटी होची C तापर कोन करिवा आर कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज रे इक्विवेलेंट बाहर कले 1 by CS S for series is equal to 1 by C1 you know 1 by C2 you know like this up to n. This is equal to 1 by C plus 1 by C, all are equal up to n times. So what is 1 by C, 1 by C, 1 by C n times n thorough? Your answer is 1 by C times of n. This is equal to 1 by CS. You find CS. CS is equal to C by n. Similarly, parallel base. Parallel base C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus up to n times. So this is equal to C plus C up to n times. N times means multiple of n. That is equal to your NC. This is equal to your CP. P for parallel. You mention this. Okay. S for series, P for parallel. This is 2. This is called the equivalent capacity, CS, C by N. Equivalent capacity for parallel, CP is equal to NC. You find the ratio. That is first one series, second one parallel. So CS by CP. That is equal to CS, you see C by N divided by NC. You see the main quotient is this. This is equal to your numerator, this is equal to denominator. This is equal to C by N, U 1 by NC. C cancel. That is equal to 1 by N square is equal to 1 is to N square. This is equal to ratio. In multiple choice may come. You can also practice it. Then shortly find This is equal to 1:n square. This is equal to your series. You know, remember always C by N. In parallel, you remember NC. Then directly you put the ratio, find 1:n square. If a parallelist and a series ratio, then a square is to 1. Okay. This is about some questions. Your capacitance is over. If any question, doubt, you can write